Hello, dear friends, all lovers of freedom all over the world. I greet you according to your time zone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Long live Mazi Nnamdi Kanu of Biafra land. Long live United States of Biafra. Long live the good people of Biafra. My people, in this video, you will learn a lot. So do not be in a hurry. Tighten your seatbelts and watch this video. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share this video and also give us a thumbs up. Thank you and God bless you. Let's go. Allow me to repeat it again. Let me repeat it again. If you want to listen, if you want to believe me, let me repeat it again. P2B 2027 presidential race is a distraction. P2B is a distraction. Biafra is coming. Biafra is coming like the speed of the light. Biafra is coming. Just like once you on your switch, you see the electric bulb shines. That is the speed at which Biafra is coming. But what they are trying to do is to change the narrative. They want to tell the world that Biafrans, Igbos, majority, are following P2B, which shows that we are still interested in one Nigeria. They want to convince the world that look at the mass followers that is following P2B, and these people are Igbo people. That Igbo people do not want to leave Biafra. Do not want to leave Nigeria, excuse me. That is very few people that want to leave and form a country. The majority of Igbos are in Nigeria as a country. So this is their narrative. As you can see, the useless professor, the Soludo of Anambra State, have come out to beg the youth of Anambra State to join the military. And the youth say, no, we want Biafra. And they ask him a question. Your son, who is in the UK, why not bring your son to join the military so that we can join? You don't want your son to join the military, and you want us to join the military. The same military that has been killing Igbo youth. You want the Igbo youth to join them again. What kind of nonsense is this? Let Buhari form the Bubago, sponsor you people. And the Bubago started killing IPOB members. Everybody knows it. The Bubago is a creation of the North, the Fulani Caliphate. Because of the money they were giving, these governors, Eastern governors, collected this money from Bubago and started killing IPOB members. So now that the world is talking about Biafra with alacrity, Biafra is coming. So they're trying to push the narrative. Look at what is going to happen. ADC will concede the presidential ticket to P2B because P2B have mass followership. That is their ticket to go and present to the world that, look, Biafrans still want to be in Nigeria. Say no to P2B.
No businesses in the southeast. No international airport in the southeast. No embassy in the whole of the southeast. Then you are asking us to join the Nigerian army. Aye, alụmelai ndị Igbo, alụmelai ka m na-agwa unu nke wee eziokwu. Alụmelai o, ihe a ka Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na-ata afụfa, anyị na-akpụ ya terrorist. Ihe a ka Simon tagidela afụfa, kpọgide ndị a terrorist, kpọgbuo ụfọdụ obe. Yet, we are the biggest oil producing people in Nigeria. But come to the southeast, you can't find one depot in the southeast. One depot, you can't find. I'm not talking about refinery. You cannot. You can't find depot in the southeast. And Soludo is telling you to join the Nigerian army. And his children, they are here living large. They are in London living large. Because they are not humans. Any day I see Soludo's children wearing military uniform, carrying gun, confirmed to go and fight the Boko Haram. I am one of them. No, but their children can go for House of Senate, House of Rep, House of Representative. Their children, look at Tinubu, your president. His son is going for very easy position and straightforward. The governor of Lagos State. That is what Sheli Tinubu is fighting for now. You don't see them fight for road safety. You don't see them fight for a police commissioner. No, you don't. It is for the youth of Anambra State to come. You didn't tell this thing to the Northerners that there are no more youths from the North that will join the military. This is what they do. This is how they confuse themselves. Come and tell us to come and join the military. And you can see the people destroying your lives. But Biafrans are saying, Dr. Ngozi Arabweze is saying, let us build our nation. Give us this opportunity to build our nation. The same thing Dr. Ngozi Arabweze is saying, it is the same thing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Simone Ekpa is saying. Where we will compete with other nations of the world. Where we will build our own economy. Individuals will have job, nyafu nyafu. If they don't provide job, we will still fight them. They will. They must. Because that is... How many of you have read our constitution that is in Amazon? Go and read that constitution. You will understand what I'm talking about. I don't need to explain much to you. These people are ready for us to go. They are ready. They are very, very ready. They are not... Look at how Burkina Faso is in less than 3 years. Can you beat that? With a country that is over 60 years and doesn't know what to do with their citizens and the mineral resources that they have. Today we are still asking you people to tell us where your president is. None of you have been able to tell us. This is how they want to keep Nigeria in perpetual bondage and use Muslim ticket to conquer the whole nation. And we are still there talking about one Nigeria. Some stupid people are still there talking about one Nigeria is still possible under Peter Obi. You people don't know what we know. You don't know what we have seen. And we are telling you from here, it is not possible. One Nigeria can never be possible. Anybody telling you about one Nigeria being possible is deceiving himself or herself. It can't be possible. Not even in a million years anymore. Nigeria has expired. I hear these people talking about Southeast. Have you seen how they made Southeast to look like? Now, Southeast is now your village. It's now a village you must visit every December. Lagos is now your abroad. In less than 3 days, I have Lagos. Maka business side in Lagos. Inazi anata Lagos asisi gị na amunyego na Ladipo na agbazikwa ọkụ. Ngwa afia ga agbawagokwa ọkụ. Have you seen, do you understand where I'm coming from? Despite the fact we are the builders of Nigerian economy, they still don't like us. They made us to make our homelands, villages, homes as villages. They turned those places to village. Where we must visit every December for them to have a renewment of burning down your market so that you continue to build for them and design the place for them. That's what they do. That's how they have positioned our country to be. Go to Anambra State. You see mansions. You see nobody living inside of them. Come to Imo State. Same thing. You come to Enugu State. The same thing. They made all those places to look more like villages. Why the indigenous people traveled, they have gone to Lagos, Abuja to build their own economy and live the economy of your own state to liquidate. Have you seen what I'm talking about? They know the moment we start building all those things and start giving it a name, making it look shapely. And in less than 3 years, Lagos State will go bankrupt. You will be renting houses in Lagos State for 5,000 naira a year. Let me tell you, they know. They know that. You will see 3-bedroom flats, they will be begging you to come and rent it 200,000 because nobody is willing to live there. So they know. And yet, the largest oil producing firm is in Biafran land, Imo State. Yes, there are no Imolites that is enjoying there. You don't have depot in Imo, in Anambra, Enugu, or Oka. You don't have depot there. We are not talking, even refineries we don't have there. Refineries we don't have there. But they are building pipe from there to Europe to continue to milk our gas. That is why everybody must die if you dare talk about disintegration of Nigeria. That is why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is locked up. That is the reason why Simon is in prison. Not because they committed any crime. Call Alexander Stop to interview and ask him, really, what did Simon do? He can't tell you anything. Really, what did Nnamdi Kanu do? They tell you, oh, Nnamdi Kanu did not do nothing, but we just want to jail him because we don't like him. That is the report you're going to get from them. Because there are no physical evidence that these people has committed any crime. And I want to use this opportunity to continue to thank our brothers in the Southeast, most especially Anambarians, my brothers and sisters. Una make me, una give me this joy. Tell Soludo to his face, go to hell if you like. We ain't going to join the Nigerian army. They are all killers, murderers. You can imagine an Igbo man being in the midst of this hatred, people that hate you, people that don't like you, being in their midst, going for war. They will shoot you from behind before you even realize it. Most of our beautiful girls that are in the army, you can see what they are saying. That their superiors want to sleep with them before they can even give them position in the military. Have you seen what I'm talking about? The man that I was talking about was Commodore. He was formerly Commodore. He was formerly a Commodore so person in the Nigerian Navy Force in Apapa. He was a Commodore. Now, when he got to Rear Admiral, he has been under Rear Admiral, I think, for 5 years. They were supposed to move him from Rear Admiral to the, I think, a General. Tinubu came in and retired him. And yet you want us to come and serve you in your military. People are mad. Ask them, what has the Igbos achieved in this Tinubu's administration? The only people that have achieved this are the governors. Governors, the criminal governors that we have in the Southeast. These are the people that have achieved. The youths, you can see that we're self-made. The youth are all self-made. We are all self-made. Nobody, no government official can come and tell you, we supported him in his education. We supported him to travel abroad. We supported him to start this business. We supported him when he was growing this business in a very small scale. We supported him to grow in this area, in that area. No, you can't see them tell you that. But when we decide that we want a better life, they'll bring military to start killing us. Why is that not happening now? Because they know that the eagle eyes is now on them. Americans' eyes is now on Nigeria. That is why Christopher Musa and the what is it called? The Nigerian government has, ceased pulling their trigger a bit. Because when you come to the Southeast, guns are blazing every single day. They don't care whether it's children, mothers, or father that is affected. No. That is how Wazirike will come and tell you that he's now bringing a prime minister, that the people killing themselves are the people abroad that is sending money to kill each other. If this story was not concocted by the Nigerian government, Bianco Olowu, to come and dish this out to Biafrans, thank God Biafra did not buy it. They quickly move and tell you that Ogechukwunke is now your prime minister. Have you seen the evil of these people? What Nigerian government cannot do with money would not exist. Does not exist. Can never exist. They quickly move and the whole social media carried it. But I'm surprised that the same social media did not carry the declaration of the independent state of Biafra. Nobody carried it. Because when you speak with some of our brothers and sisters, they say, Biafra, when they declare, when they declare, they don't know. But so many people who didn't even know that we have declared our nation now heard that Ogechukwu, a criminal, Onyo Hidiko Ogechukwu. Ihe na-agụcha this man is now our prime minister. Their prime minister, not our. Ihe na-agụcha Ogechukwu prime minister. Are you seeing how evil Nigerian government can be? Have you seen how destructive they can be? That is the country that Chalenwa is telling your children to go and join them. And hi. Sometimes I wish to have superpowers. I'm telling you. I wish I can have superpower. These people, they don't deserve good things. They leave their children abroad. And then they showed it the other time, they were talking about people that are plaiting their hair. People that were plaiting hair. Girls that they don't wear bra, arrest them. If you see anybody that's up, arrest them. His child here is Opontu. The first child, you know. The other one has dreadlocks. His second son has dreadlocks. But yet, he's fine. The daughter of Soludo, Soludo's daughter, she's almost naked every time you see her on social media. The daughter, I'm not telling you people this. Go and verify her handle, social media handle. Almost naked, but yet you are arresting the ones in the southeast. Have you seen the hypocrisy in these people? Have you seen how hypocritical these people can be? Soludo's son is plaiting hair, but you are arresting our brothers, our friends in Anambra State that are plaiting hair. Tomorrow you will come and speak and expect us to listen to you. It is old fools that you can confuse and deceive. I believe that those are the ones they are talking to, not people like us. Igbos are not being marginalized. They are giving amnesty to terrorist bandits. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu can remain in prison. IPOB members that they kidnapped, that they arrested unlawfully can remain in prison. That they didn't carry gun can remain in prison. You are giving amnesty to them. You even have meetings with them. But Evans can remain in prison. Evans can remain in prison. Biafrans, don't get it twisted. I don't like evil. I don't like to see people committing crime. But what did Evans do? That these terrorists did not do times 10 of it. I'm not talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because I can't equate these terrorists with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the most cleanest man on this planet Earth. So I don't want to go through that route. Evans, what did Evans do that you can't give him freedom? The only person you can equate with Nnamdi Kanu is Donald Trump. So when I talk about the bandit, it seems as if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a bad guy. No! Or Simon, no! I'm talking about Evans now. Evans is a kidnapper. Evans calls you, bring money. The same thing these terrorists are doing, no? That is the same thing Evans did. But Evans can be knocked away. Nobody's talking about Evans. Nobody, no Yoruba man, no Hausa man dare speak about Evans. But we can talk about Bello Tunji today. That ransack villages, take over villages, buy his gun, buy the bullets of his gun. Nigerian government has not gone after him. If they go and meet him, they go and discuss peace deal with him. Why can't they discuss the same peace deal with Evans? I think this is the best thing to use, because using Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with these people are just, we are trying to stand match them with terrorists. No. Evans is Igbo. That's why you don't hear about him. If he was a Yoruba man, by now they would have left him. All the Yoruba people that was fighting against Tinubu before he even came into power, that they arrested, have they not freed all of them? Have they not freed all of them? Including some Igbo that was fighting the Nigerian terrorist government, that was fighting this, what is it called? Fulani headers. Has it not been released? Why must Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case be different? We're talking about Abakari that killed thousands of Biafrans, that had deal with us poppy. when American arrested that Poppy, his name was mentioned. Nigerian people, they got in. They protected their own. They protected him. Even when they caught him with with doing cocaine business, they still protected him. And today, did they extradite him to US? No, they never did. He's in Nigeria somewhere, living a quiet life. Igbo people are subjugated more than any other tribe in Nigeria. Chalinwa Mboafo tells you to come and join Nigerian army. Chalinwa Mboafo tells you to come and join Nigerian army. Have you seen how egocentric these people can be? Have you seen how wicked these people can be? They tell you to come and join Nigerian army. But we are the one marginalizing ourselves. When Tinubu was elected or selected as the president of the terrorist Nigerian government, as the head of Nigeria, I don't like to call that man a president. He's an illegitimate president. On the day of his inauguration, Chalinwa Mboafo was bounced not to enter where Tinubu was being inaugurated. Yet he's now fighting for that same Tinubu, fighting for him, telling our youths, the same youth you call terrorists, the same youth you say that they are the one unaliving people in the forest. You are not calling them to come and join Nigerian army. Are you not stupid? I don't know what is wrong with these people. They just sit down one place and think that they are God. They just sit down and start talking anyhow.
That is it. Our brother will say he have already said everything. He have already explained everything. The Soludo and his family and the others, those people that is campaigning every day, they go to the streets, they gather people to campaign for the governorship, for senator, and for rest of them. They should call their children to join the Nigerian soldier. Oh yes, I would like to hear your comments down below. Like, subscribe, and share the video to go around. Let others see what is really going on in Biafra land. And thank you for watching.